So it seems like working from home is all the rage now. I'm going to share with you guys in this video 7 high-paying online jobs that no one is talking about that you can do working from home. Just like me, I'm working in my home office today and every single day for 4 years. I'm super excited to share with you guys these 7 high-paying online jobs, and all of these have been personally vetted by me. We're going to dive on in as soon as we cue that intro. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen. I am a mom of 3 living in beautiful, wonderful Minnesota, and I have been working from home for 4 years. In fact, about 4 years ago, I actually retired my husband from his 9 to 5, and now we work in our businesses together. We currently own 2 businesses, and we have a 9-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old. So I wanted to put together a list of some of the jobs that you can do from home. You can either work in a full-time job remotely from home online, or you can build up your own business so you don't have a boss, you don't have to work on a particular schedule, and you can take on as many clients as you want. Now, I've personally vetted all of these. I have friends who do them. I've done some of these in different phases of my business. And to be super clear, none of these are MLMs, network marketing, pyramid schemes, anything like that. No hate towards MLMs. It's just not a model that I personally choose to endorse. So all of these are real legit jobs that you can either find online as remote work, or that you can build up your own business taking on clients in these amazing 7 jobs. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got a whole series of videos coming that you will not want to miss. In fact, if you're excited to catch some of those videos, comment below and let me know which of these you're most excited to hear about. We're gonna be talking about side hustles, we're gonna be talking about work at home jobs, how to secure clients online working from home, how I balance a home work-life balance, like what it looks like. Comment below and let me know. And like I said, don't forget to hit subscribe. All right, number 1, we have a launch specialist. So online businesses oftentimes do these things called launches. Is that lunch?
This drink, I like it.
I know, it's great, right?
Another!
No, launch. Launches are essentially a massive push of energy where they're suddenly making a push towards getting sales. Usually these last for a couple weeks, sometimes up to a couple months with a big runway. And what their goal is for the businesses is to increase revenue, customers, email list, etc. Sometimes it's for a course, sometimes it's for a physical product. Maybe you've seen some Kickstarters, they have launches as well. And in fact, I got my start working in Kickstarter launches with a good friend of mine. And launch specialists can charge a lot of money, anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 for any given launch. And so you can manage multiple launches at one time, or you can get hired by a massively successful online business to be a launch specialist on their team full time, which is pretty cool. Now, I'm curious, before we go any further, do you have most interest in working full time as a job from home, or are you most interested in working for yourself, building your own business with clients, not reporting to a boss? Comment below and let me know, and I do my best to reply to all comments as fast as possible. Number 2, OBM. OBM stands for Online Business Manager. And if you've ever heard of like assistants or virtual assistants, an OBM is something that's kind of a lesser known version of a virtual assistant, only it's more technical. It does require some more learning, a little bit more thinking, a little more energy and effort. Basically, an OBM is someone who comes in as an online business manager and they put together all of these different tech pieces in your business, whether it's integrating your email software with your funnel, or possibly using Zapier to connect Wufoo to your cell phone. There's all kinds of cool integrations that you can learn, and these are highly in demand. I know OBMs who charge $35 to $150 per hour, because when they come in, they're saving the day for their clients, especially clients like me. When tech goes wrong, I just wanna like throw my computer out the window. And so I rely on our OBMs and our freelancers who come in and support us when we hit that tech wall where we can't solve it any further. Job number 3, funnel building. Now, some businesses online have full-time funnel builders. What is a funnel, you might be asking? A funnel is essentially a series of websites, like landing pages, if you've ever heard of those, that take someone from a prospect to someone who's interested to a customer over the course of just several like pages on a website. One of them might be an order form, one might be a sales page, one can be a confirmation or a webinar. Funnels are a really powerful way to build businesses online. And I know a lot of business owners who have full-time funnel builders, but I also know a lot of people, and I am included in this party, we like to outsource some of the really technical funnel builds. And so funnel builders can charge a lot of money, especially as their funnels have a track record of converting. You can charge anywhere from $2,500 per funnel all the way up to $50,000, and some people even charge $100,000 for a fully integrated funnel, aka ecosystem. Number 4, podcast editor and manager. I actually have a podcast, shameless plug right here. It's called Social Media Secrets. I'll link to it in the bio beneath this. Basically, a lot of business owners have podcasts, and they sometimes need support with editing out the ums and the ahs and the intentional mistakes or things that they don't want in their podcast. And they need someone to ultimately upload these podcast episodes with show notes and a strategy and a schedule that's really, really organized. I know for me, I'm a little more on the fly. So I like to record my podcasts on my phone and then just upload them to the drive, and one of my team members uploads them. But podcast editors and managers are very much in demand, especially for business owners who like to batch a lot of their podcasts at once, meaning they create a lot of podcast episodes all in one sitting, and then they release them at different times. They drip them out. Podcast editors and managers can charge per episode, or you can put clients on a monthly retainer for anywhere from $750 per month to $2,500 per month, depending on the results and the type of keywords and strategy you put in behind the scenes. Number 5, a Dream 100 manager. Now, chances are you've never heard of a Dream 100 at all. Basically, Dream 100 is a concept that comes from The Ultimate Sales Machine, a book by Chet Holmes, and this book is phenomenal. In the book, he talks about this concept called a Dream 100, and these are 100 customers, clients, or businesses that you really want to do business with someday. A lot of businesses create these Dream 100 lists of the businesses that are basically on their vision board that they want to work with. And a Dream 100 manager has this really, really cool job. It's actually dreamy. Their job is to send gifts to these Dream 100 potential clients, customers, businesses, and ultimately build a relationship by learning about their interests and then ultimately getting them to the point where they're willing to speak to sales reps and or the CEO of a company. So it's a really cool job. It requires being a little bit of a detective and finding out some information about the people behind businesses so that you can ultimately reel them on in for the CEO or sales team. Number 6, a YouTube channel manager. Now, a lot of people like me put out multiple YouTube videos per week. I shoot for 3 to 5 videos every single week, which is a big load. It's a lot of work. Basically, one of the things that I really love is having someone behind the scenes to manage my channel and support me with finding, the keywords that we're going to use, support me with creating graphics. I go through seasons where I manage my own YouTube channel because I really like to learn what is working now so that I can speak actively about it without having just third-party information. But a lot of online businesses and influencers actually need channel managers and support to get them out of working in their business and get them working more on their business. So a YouTube channel manager can charge anywhere from $1,000 per month all the way up to $3,000 per month without actually filming the videos. If you add editing in, it might be even more. So it can be a really, really lucrative, high-paying job, and most people don't even realize it's a job behind the scenes. And number 7 is a Pinterest manager. Chances are you've used Pinterest before. You've created your dream boards of your house, your hair, your outfits, your dream vacations. I know I have done all of the above. But I bet you didn't know that Pinterest is actually one of the greatest sources of organic traffic for businesses. And businesses are looking for amazing Pinterest managers to come on in behind the scenes and use Pinterest, creating boards, creating pins in something like Canva to basically drive traffic to their website, to their YouTube, to their blog, to their podcast, even to other social media, which is so crazy. Now, does one of these catch your interest? Comment below and let me know which ones are you considering, because it will help me to decide what types of videos to create in the future. Are you looking at launch specialist, OBM, funnel builder, podcast editor and manager, Dream 100 manager, YouTube channel manager, Pinterest manager? Which of these have your interest? Comment below so I know exactly what kind of trainings you would love to see. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you absolutely hated it and think I'm the most annoying person ever, give it a thumbs down because I appreciate your feedback. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later. Out into the, wow, I can't say that. Or possibly in using, I can't talk.